hope you're going to enjoy the video. Okay. Let me see if I can flip the video. Okay. All right. Let me first of all buy my pepper. I don't know what's it. Eh? 500, 200. This one I get 200. I carry a boy. Or 3, 500. Yeah. Yeah, go kwa sembara na the others. No sem. I'll wait for now the kanka nuku. Eh? Mani mesira kuya. Wa, ere gogi. Yam change. Thank you. Thank you, ma. Konya kwa. Isi na ego ne bu akwụgị. 2-4. Mba, eche not 2 ka nnụrụ ikwuru n'anọ. Ọkwa ihe ikwuru bụ ya ka mbawa n'ime ahịa. Ịchọkwa mbawa n'ime ahịa. Ọ bụrụ dị 2 ka na expect ya. Ihe nchọrọ gị ya bụ 2000. Mana ị ga-awụju 2000. Emerekwa ka mmee ya 18. 2000 mana ị ga-awụju ya, ị ga-agbakwa ya ọfụma. Okay. Ana m amara dị ka ofu a ga-ezuru m. 1 million. Ị ka ibinye m akwụkwọ a ka nna je shiwezie ya maka na m na-ele akwụ atarọ gị. Ngwa mommy nyere m aka ka ịgbanye ya na njikọ. Dezikwa aka gị ọfụma bụrụkwa ihe ahụ ime like that. Iwufuchakwa akwụ m imezie ya. Batakwuo. Ne? Nke obere custard ahụ ego ne. Kanchi ọchị mezigodo nke ime wetagodo obere custard a ka o ji meshotagodo ofu then before mezigodo nke ngolo ego mezigodo nke ngolo ego yes half nke oruru half ngwa wunye ma o nwekwara ike ọ karịa amaghọ m. Na-akwụ ahụ m ji n'aka that's 3000. Akwụ galaskala ọnụ. Eche m na ngolo akwụ last week 15. Yes, ya ka ngo ya ka last 2 weeks 15. Imezikwara akwa ngwa nne ego gị 3000 naira. Onwe ọzọ nchọrọ igo. No, akom St. Live nya anaje kpati ya na yard. Ezie ya. Tiri m ya na nylon m. Ọ ka nwere ihe ọzọ nkarị igo. Meme na-abịa na-asị na m egoro nke a. Ofe akwụ spice. Cheka mbanye ego gote ofe. Debere m ihe ebe a na-abịa. I'm going to no faco spice. Then what am I faco spice? Morning dance. Mommy, in what of faco spice? Wanyam. Faco. Yeah, my boy. You're going to be famous.
100 naira.
Nka kwan.
100 naira.
Wanyam mo fu famous o fu nka na.
Okay.
Mix here.
Okay.
All right, but don't worry, we still a lie again. Bye bye. There you go, me go. You're going 200, 500. Can't keep 200, can't keep 500. 200, 500. Nyam ke 500 mana mezi kwa ya o na iya pempe. Opta no fu angara bu 100 naira. Mba ogala kwala on mezi ya biko. Oa. Mba like ro kwa ngwa T1 mana ị ga-emezi ya. O si na ojigo akpa. Ị kara ịchọ nke mara mma ka m nwanye m. Ya, ọ nchagharị ka ọ na-achagharị like this. What's all you be going in the other? Ndị obere bụ nke a, kwa ndị obere bụ nke a. Nke a bụ nke obere. Oh, ị nwedere anya. Nyenụ m change. Nke a bụ 300 nwa ba, ọkwa nke a? Okay. Thank you. Malisa me penu lu mkanti. Anti yanga. Sinke. No so chingo. Wa. Thank ma. Bye bye. Yes sir. Ego chagom. Ego chagom. Mbe enwe m na yard. Good morning. So I'm going home. I'm going home. I think once I get home, because I don't even have a stand. Yeah. Once I get home, I will now continue the life. Woo. So I'm on my way home. Once I get home, I don't even know where I'm going to put this thing now. Okay, let me put it here. Once I get home, we'll continue the other part of the video. This is my cookie car. Anyhow car. Fat is too much, oh. Money can buy you happiness. Huh? Money can buy you love. Money can fill this emptiness. All I want is money. Ooh. Yeah. But I want all the money in the world. Eh? They say money can't buy happiness, but Regina wants all the money in the world. Oh? I think it's from her that I heard that music and I had to go and watch it. Watch the full, and I love the music. Anyway, everybody with his belief. Oh. Some people believe that money can buy them happiness, can buy them everything. Someone told me yesterday that money is everything, that if you have money, you have everything. No, maybe our own belief is bad. Our own belief is wrong. We don't know the right thing to believe. Because I don't used to believe that money is everything. But the way the world is turning to, the way the world is going now, I think I will believe that money is everything. Because people that have money, they seem to get away with everything they do. In fact, they can even buy somebody to replace them. Why the law is for those that don't have money. It's for those that don't have money. It's well. Hi, Francis. Hi, MC Mets or what? Hi, hello too. Okay. Oh, where's my tripod now? Baba, where's my tripod? Bring it for me fast, please. Let me put this phone. Or I'll come and hold this phone. Just hold it for me. Let me do what I want to do. Come and hold this phone for me. They say money can buy you happiness. Money can buy you love. Money can't fill this emptiness.
Just check your car.
In my car? Go and check it in the other car. Take the car key. Check it there. But I want all the money. I want to spoil this song. They say money can buy you happiness. Money can buy you love. Money can fill this emptiness. I want all the money in the world. Yeah. I want all the money in the world.
Mommy.
Ooh. Huh?
Mommy, do you know that the street has
Money
tires?
can't.
Mommy, look at what's in this.
But I have.
Look at what's in this.
That's what they said. That's what they say. But it's better she should be crying in the Bentley. That's what she said in that music. Let me cut this scent leaf that I'll use and cook. That's the leaf they were asking me to buy over there in the market. I want to cut some leaf that I'll use and cook. Because I have too much of it. In fact, this thing, I need to go and sell it in that Kudi market. If I sell my own will just say, hey. What is it? I'm coming. Let me come and give you medicine, yeah? And food. I'm coming to cook food for you. See. My God, this thing is just too much. Like, it's too much. This one just grew like grass, honestly. Like weed. I did not farm this thing. It's only one I farm. But the way I saw this thing shocked me.